Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Sign into YouTube and open the video you want. Pause at the beginning so you control timing, and check the CC button to enable captions if the creator provided them. Once done, click the three dots or the transcript option under More Actions. That immediately reveals the auto-generated or uploaded transcript. Make sure playback language matches your needs. If captions aren't visible, continue to the next slide to extract or generate the transcript manually. Once you open the transcript panel, you'll see timestamp text. Select the language drop-down to pick auto-translation if necessary, and toggle timestamps off to get plain text. Click inside the transcript, press Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C, or use the menu to copy it. If you need a file, paste into a text editor and save as TXT or docx. For long videos, copy in chunks to avoid cutoffs. Make sure to review and clean up auto-caption errors before final use. Finish by pasting the copied transcript into your preferred editor and performing a quick pass to fix speaker labels, punctuation, and mistaken words. You want readability. If the video lacks captions, run it through a speech-to-text service or use browser extensions that capture audio and transcribe. If timestamps are required, re-enable them and adjust formatting. Troubleshooting tip: if the transcript doesn't appear, clear cache, try incognito, or use another browser. Sometimes YouTube's interface hides the option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.